Hello guys, welcome to Art by Meshva and I am Meshva, and today we are going to crochet Gajra. I'm taking acrylic yarns, a dark green color and white color. This is from hobby store and this is from a local shop. And the hook size is 3.5 mm. Taking this aside, and we need a scissor, and it's a very beginner friendly tutorial. We are putting white aside, working with the green yarn. So make a slip knot and insert your hook inside the loop, and we will chain 100. For the foundation chain, we will yarn over, and your yarn should be in the hook, and pull your yarn through that loop, and that will make your first chain. And that's how you make your foundation chain 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. Do your foundation chain till and now here 100. I'm leaving a small tail like this. Pull this here so it won't. Now putting this scissor aside. Now I'm taking my white yarn too. For inserting the white yarn into this, what we are going to do is we'll make a loop like this. And also here, don't leave a bigger tail. I warn you, save your yarns. This is my first chain. This is second chain. So as I told you, insert your hook into the first chain and make a loop with your white yarn. Insert your hook inside it and pull through with this green loop. Now take the small tail of that white yarn and keep it with you, and make it tight, and do a slip knot first. And while working on the green yarn, we will work with our small yarn, so we don't have to cut it off later. Now we will chain 2. This is 1 and 2. So we will do incomplete double crochet. For doing that, we will only yarn over through the first 2 loops, and not on the other 2 loops. We will leave the other 2 loops, or just see what I am doing here. Like this, yarn over and pull through the only 2 loops first, and now yarn over and make another incomplete double crochet. So like this, do 4 incomplete double crochet, and at the end you will have 5 loops on your hook. Like this. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through this 4 loops only, like this, and I'll show you again. I have 5 loops, and yarn over, pull through the 1 loop only. See, work with 1 loop only. I pull through the 1 loop. This is my second loop, my third loop, my fourth loop. Don't pull over this, the 5th one. Yarn over, pull through this one, and what you are going to do is chain 2, 1 and 2. And now I'm taking this. So as we made 2 chains, and insert a hook into the same stitch and make a slip knot. Like this, and into the next stitch make another slip knot. Like this, and then chain 2, make 4 incomplete double crochet as shown. Like this, chain 2 and make 4 incomplete double crochet. So remember, when you are making this puff flowers, you don't leave a gap between them, because if you leave a gap, you will not get the spiral. So continue this pattern all around, and this is my last part, and I am making a slip knot, then leave a medium tail and cut it off. As you can see, the gajra, how it turns into. And now let me show you how to style it. I mean, everyone knows, of course, but my mom wants to know how to style it. But before, or we will sieve this small tail with the help of our needle inside the our gajra. And I'm taking a pin, for with the help of that pin we will attach it to our hair. I don't know what to call this pin, but here uh, I'm leaving this tails of green yarn because I want to make a tie when I'm making a bun, you know, at the chain. Here, as you can see, I'm inserting my pin. So I'm taking a two pin for the first hairstyle, and it will look like this, some of what. So I have styled this on my mom's hair. Oh, so please give your thoughts in the comment section, and I'm so sorry if you don't understand the pattern. I know I'm not being as a good teacher, but hope you like it.